Hare Krishna, I am Arush Saha of class 9 Science. Today, my topic for my presentation is Understanding Magnetism, the Force of Nature. Introduction to Magnetism. Magnetism basic, a force that attracts or repels object. Magnetism is basically a thing which attracts or repels something, and some natural magnets are lodestone or magnetite, and the magnets have a magnetic field, which are invisible forces which surround magnets and influence materials to attract or repel them. Its history and discovery. In ancient knowledge, Greeks and Chinese used lodestones for 2500 years ago. And the compass, it was invented in China, revolutionized navigation. William Gilbert, a scientist in 1600s, proposed Earth as a giant magnet in De Magnete. And Oersted, who was a um, who was a physicist, he also discovered in 1820 that magnetism is linked with electricity. And the science behind magnetism, atomic level. Electron spin creates magnetic dipoles. Magnetic domains, groups of aligned atoms generate magnetic forces. Ferromagnetism, iron, nickel, cobalt show strong magnetic behaviors. Curie temperature, above this, material lose magnetic properties. It is a limit of temperature. Above this, material do not have any magnetic properties. And fields and poles. Field lines of a magnet visualize the direction and strength of a magnetic force. If the field lines are strong and properly arranged, then the strength of magnetic force will be strong. The poles interaction, opposite poles attract and same poles repel. Like in a magnet, bar magnet, we can see north poles of different two bar magnets. If we bring them close, they repel each other, and if one of the poles is changed and north and south are together in one space, and they will attract each other. And magnetic monopoles, hypothetical, never been isolated. They can't not be isolated. Earth's magnetism, it protects us from harmful solar wind radiation because it repels them from outside only. And electromagnetism, current creates magnetism. Electricity generates magnetic field in wires. In wires, it generates magnetic field. And basically in solenoid, they are called concentrate coil concentrated magnetic effect they have. If we take a iron thing and we make a solenoid, means a copper wire, l- we put it in a coil form around the iron thing, then, and if we connect it to the any electrical source and charge it, then it becomes an electromagnet. Magnets controlled by electric current. Applications used in motors, generators, and transformers, usually to save more energy and to waste less energy. We use electromagnet. And application of magnets. Electric motors convert electrical energy to mechanical motion. Generators convert motion into electrical power. Medical imaging. MRI uses magnets for detailed body scans. This is very important because that magnet revolves around so fast, and because of that only everything in our brain, in any part of our body, comes very clearly. Data storage, hard drive stores information magnetically. And the enduring force, fundamental force, magnetism shapes natural and technological worlds. Research continues to unlock new magnetic materials and uses. Future technology, quantum computing, and magnetic aviation promise breakthroughs. And some fascinating facts and milestones about magnetism. Magnetism in our nature and Earth's magnetic reversals. Do you know, in the cows and many animals like fish, they have very small magnet inside them. Like this cow, it has magnet in its stomach. So if it eats anything, grass or anything, so that if any iron thing will come, so this magnet directly attracts it towards itself, because the cow has a system of chambers, that first cow will eat, then it will go to first chamber, then come to mouth again, then second, then third, then fourth, like this. And while this happens, that iron nail will go and come, it can pierce many things and the cow can die. That's why this magnet do not let that iron nail any do not let that iron nail to injure the cow in any way. Cows and fishes sometimes ingest magnets to capture harmful metals. These magnets safely stay in their stomachs for life, preventing injury. And in case of fish, fish use their magnetism to go below the deep inside the water, and you know, using their magnetic fields, they contact each other. The Earth's magnetic poles reversals. Earth's magnetic poles have swapped hundreds of times in 400 million years. The most recent reversal happened about 780,000 years ago. The magnetic poles of the Earth, which we take as North Pole and South Pole, they are not permanent, we see. In 400 million years, about 100 times they swap. And recently it swapped in about 780,000 years ago. Extreme magnetism and magnetic storage milestone. Neutron star magnet. The neutron star magnet SGR 180620 boasts the strongest known magnetic field. Its magnetism is 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's field. The strongest known magnetic field. The magnetic field the humankind knows, which is the strongest, is of neutron star. And it is sad that the known, because we don't know many things about space. Maybe there is one more star or anything else that has double or triple times the magnetism is greater than the neutron star. Magnetic data storage history. In 1956, IBM introduced RAMAC, the first computer using magnetic disks. It used 24-inch disks to store just 5 megabytes of data. This capacity matches a typical MP3 song today, but required immense hardware. RAMAC was the first computer which used magnetic disks. And milestones in magnetic technology. In 1970, magnetic credit card strips introduced as a secure way to store payment data on cards. Through cards, we take money, we give money. Uh, this happens majorly through cards. And but do you know, in 1970, this arrangement was happened because of the magnetic strips which were applied on a credit card. Advances in magnetical materials. Development of varied alloys, expanded magnetic application. Alnico magnets, composed of aluminum, nickel, and cobalt elements. Al means aluminium, Ni means nickel, and Co means cobalt, known for strong permanent magnetism and high stability. These three elements are also known very much for their magnetism. That's why when we combine these three and make an alloy of them, Alnico, it it makes a strong permanent magnetism and high stability for the magnet. Thank you. Hare Krishna.